A wedding party. I am James, and today is a day full of joy and excitement. My cousin, Lily, is getting married. The moment I woke up, I felt the energy in the house. The air smelled of roses, and the sound of laughter echoed in every corner. I peeked outside my window and saw a delivery truck bringing more decorations. "James, hurry up. The day won't wait for you," shouted my mom from downstairs. I jumped out of bed and looked at the suit hanging in my wardrobe. Today I would not just attend a wedding, I would create memories to last a lifetime. Morning preparations. I quickly took a shower and got ready in my black suit and blue tie. Looking at the mirror, I said to myself, "James, you look like a gentleman." My mom smiled when she saw me and said, "James, you look perfect for the big day." Downstairs, the house was buzzing with activity. My dad was checking the gift boxes, and my sister was busy trying on her dress. "Come on, James, carry these flowers to the car," my dad called. I carried a huge bouquet to the car and loaded the trunk with beautifully wrapped gifts. We drove to the venue, and I couldn't stop thinking about how amazing the day would be. My little sister teased me, "James, don't embarrass us with your dance moves." I laughed and said, "You'll see my moves and be jealous." Arrival at the venue. When we arrived, the venue took my breath away. The entrance was lined with lanterns, and the red carpet stretched out like a royal path. The hall was even more stunning. Golden chandeliers hung from the ceiling, and the tables were decorated with sparkling glassware and flowers. Soft music played in the background, adding to the magical atmosphere. As I entered, I saw guests in elegant dresses and suits chatting and laughing. Everyone seemed happy, and the excitement was contagious. Meeting the bride. I went straight to find Lily. She was standing near the stage, looking like a princess in her white gown. Her smile lit up the room. "James, you're here," she exclaimed, hugging me tightly. "You look amazing, Lily. This is your big day," I said. She introduced me to her groom, Michael, who shook my hand warmly. "It's great to meet you, James. Lily talks about you a lot," he said with a smile. The ceremony. The ceremony began, and everyone took their seats. The piano music was soft and emotional. When Lily walked down the aisle with her father, all eyes were on her. She looked radiant, and I could see happy tears in her eyes. Lily and Michael exchanged vows, promising to love and support each other forever. Their words were so heartfelt that I felt a lump in my throat. I looked around and saw many guests dabbing their eyes with tissues. When the couple kissed, the room erupted in cheers and applause. Dinner and conversations. After the ceremony, it was time for dinner. The buffet was a feast for the senses. There were dishes of spicy chicken, creamy pasta, fresh salads, and mouth-watering desserts. My favorite was the chocolate fountain with strawberries. I sat at a table with Harry, my childhood friend. "James, it's been so long," he said, grinning. We laughed and talked about the fun times we had as kids. "Remember when we used to play football in the rain?" he asked. How could I forget? We always came home muddy, and our moms were furious. I replied, laughing. "The dance floor." Then came the most exciting part of the night, the dance floor. The DJ played upbeat music and the lights dimmed, creating a party atmosphere. My cousins dragged me to the center and we started dancing. "James, show us your moves," someone shouted. I danced with all my energy and soon everyone joined in. The floor was full of people laughing, clapping, and having the time of their lives. A special goodbye. As the night drew to an end, I went to give Lily a gift. It was a handmade photo album filled with pictures of our childhood. She flipped through the pages and smiled. "James, this is the most thoughtful gift." "Thank you," she said, hugging me. Before leaving, I took a picture with Lily and Michael. I also posed with Harry and my cousins. As we drove home, I felt happy and tired. This day was truly unforgettable. Now that you have learned many new words, let's practice them. 1. Radiant, glowing with happiness and beauty. Example: the bride looked radiant as she walked down the aisle. 2. Lanterns, lights enclosed in a protective case, often used for decoration. Example: the entrance was lined with lanterns. 3. Bouquet, a bunch of flowers arranged together. Example: James carried a bouquet to the wedding. 4. Contagious, spreading easily from one person to another. Example: the excitement in the hall was contagious. 5. Heartfelt, sincere and deeply felt. Example: their vows were heartfelt and emotional. 6. Chandelier, a decorative, hanging light fixture. Example: the golden chandeliers made the hall look royal. 7. Lump, a tight feeling in the throat caused by strong emotions. Example: I felt a lump in my throat during the vows. 8. Upbeat, cheerful and lively. Example: the DJ played upbeat music for the dance. 9. Handmade, made by hand, not by a machine. Example: James gave Lily a handmade photo album. 10. Feast, a large, delicious meal. Example: the wedding buffet was a feast for everyone. Let's make some sentences. 1. I woke up feeling excited for my cousin's wedding. 2. The wedding venue was decorated with lanterns and flowers. 3. The bride walked down the aisle looking radiant. 4. The couple exchanged heartfelt vows in front of everyone. 5. The buffet had a variety of dishes, including desserts. 6. My childhood friend, Harry, joined me at the dinner table. 7. We danced to upbeat music and had a great time. 8. The chandeliers in the hall were grand and beautiful. 9. I gave Lily a handmade gift, and she loved it. 10. This wedding will always remain a special memory for me. Try to make more sentences. This will help you learn them better. Practice every day. Read, speak, and listen to English. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep going and you will improve. Thank you for watching today's story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to help us grow. We really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.